Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Kick. Today we have with us one more budget true wireless earphones and they are the pTron Bassbuds Vista. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and will tell you how they perform. So here is the box. In the front of the box we have the pTron Bassbuds Vista branding along with the picture of the earphone with the wireless charger. And here at the back we have some key features such as a 10mm driver, 40 mAh battery in the earbud and 400 mAh battery in the case. You get 4 hours of music playback time and 3 hours of talk time. They are available in black, white, blue and grey color. And the one we have here is the black variant. The MRP of these earphones is Rs 2,999. However, they are available to purchase right now for just Rs 1,299 and that too with the wireless charger. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So here on the top we have the barcode to download the user manual. And below it, we have the earbuds and the charging case. The charging case and the earbuds comes with this matte finish, which looks really good. We will look at the earphones in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So we get the Qi wireless charger and it's a 5-watt charger. And here we have a couple of extra ear tips and the micro USB charging cable. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the earbuds closely. pTron Bassbuds Vista are the budget true wireless earphones. In terms of the design, they look very similar to the Bassbuds Lite. But here we get this matte finish which does look premium. Looking at the case first, it has 400 mAh battery capacity which can charge these earbuds 2 to 3 times more. You have the matte finish on the case and the overall size and the design does look very good, keeping in mind the price. One thing I should tell you that the door of the case is the only thing which I didn't like in this case, and the quality is just average. The design of the case however is very good, but due to the matte finish, it will attract fingerprints and dirt very easily. Now in terms of the overview, at the back of the case we have the charging port which is the micro USB, and also this case is wireless charging enabled. The case can be charged wirelessly using any Qi compatible wireless charger. And here we're getting one in the box which is really surprising. And guys, I'm sure you know it already that if you go to the market to buy a wireless charging pad of any brand, they start in between 600 to 700 rupees. And getting one in the box with the earphones which cost just Rs 1,299 is really a good deal. Now looking at the earbuds, we have the in-ear style earbuds and they are also in the matte finish. We get the push button on both the earbuds to perform different tasks. And guys, these earbuds are lightweight and also very comfortable. For charging, you need to insert the earbuds in the case like this and they are not magnetically attached to the case, but for me it's not an issue. In terms of the build quality, I have the same issue, that is due to the matte finish, we noticed lot of fingerprint marks and smudges on them. Now talking about the battery capacity of the earbud is 40 mAh, which can give you 4 hours of music playback time. And also, you get the IPX4 rating which makes them water and dust proof. Now in terms of the other technical details, as mentioned earlier, we get the 10mm driver in these earbuds along with the Bluetooth 5.1 support, which is really good, especially in this price segment. So overall pTron Bassbuds Vista offers a good design and the build quality is also decent, but that is expected in this price range. But wireless charging is definitely an advantage. Now let's talk about the most important thing, that is the sound quality. Guys, I've been using these earbuds for a few days now and I can tell you that they're for sure best sounding earbuds around the 1000 rupees price mark. The sound quality is decent and you get good bass from them. The clarity is good for both music and videos. I've used them for watching videos on YouTube and other streaming platforms and I find the performance pretty decent. But again, do not expect anything extraordinary from these earbuds as they are the budget true wireless earphones and in this price segment, they are now definitely my favorite. The only downside I can think of is the volume. They are not very loud and it feels like you're listening at 80 to 90% volume. Nonetheless, as a package, these earphones are definitely value for money. In terms of the button control, the single press allows you to pause and play music, double press allows you to change the soundtrack, and you can also enable Google Assistant or Siri by triple pressing on the left earbud. The triple press on the right earbud will call the last dial number. Now lastly about the mic performance, I have used them to make voice and video calls, and guys, the mic performance is also very good and you can definitely use them to make voice and video calls. So overall the pTron Bassbuds Vista is a decent package. You get the good design and the decent build quality. The sound quality is also very good, keeping in mind the price range. The Qi wireless charging support is also a plus point. And guys, you're getting a wireless charging pad in the box, which makes this a very good deal and definitely value for money. So if you're on a budget and looking for a decent performing true wireless earbuds, then we highly recommend you to check out the pTron Bassbuds Vista. And as usual, if you like them and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and overview of the pTron Bassbuds Vista. Let us know if you like them, and also if you have any questions about these earbuds, do let us know in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.